Hello, this is Javindo, and today I'm doing a review of the Maglite Mini Mag 3W LED. Mini Maglite LED AA. This has two AA batteries, which you can access through the end here. It comes with these AA batteries, so you don't need to worry about that. And because it's LED, they last for ages. I've had this now for at least a couple of months. I use it pretty much daily. They haven't worn down at all. It's still as bright as when I got it. Because it's LED, you never have to replace the bulb. It has a diode there in the end. This is getting a bit dirty now, but you can see it there. A focusable head here, and it's essentially got four modes. The first mode is full power, like so, and this has a focusable head, you can see there, for different zoom distances. I'll put these on a white surface in a little while just to demonstrate the different power brightnesses. Then we have 25% power mode, which is surprisingly bright considering it's only 25% of the power. Then there's strobe mode. I'm not entirely sure when you'd use that, and it's not as fast as the XL50 or XL100 strobe mode. Then we have an SOS mode, which I suppose, even if you only ever had to use that once, it would be a life-saving mode, although again you could probably just do that with the normal modes if you didn't have to switch through each mode to get to them. So that's how you get to the modes. Twist one for one mode, go back and you get to the second mode, etc., third, fourth. It does reset if you go back to the start, so if you are 100% and then you go all the way back to the start, you'll be on 100% again, which is quite useful, although it doesn't always work. You have to give it about a second or two. Yeah, it's really rugged. It's I think it's anodized aluminium or titanium, I can't quite remember. I'll put it in the description. Very good value for money in my opinion. It was under £20 on Amazon UK. Again, really solid. There is a final mode which I haven't actually demonstrated, which is some people debate whether it's actually a mode or whether it's just it just happens to do this, but the end cap can fit on the other end like so by removing it, and then it can be used as a stand, and then you can actually use that. It's called candle mode, and it's officially called candle mode on the bigger Maglites. It's not actually defined as that on these Maglites, but again you can see there it is doing the candle sort of, it can stand up very firmly like that. Another thing to mention, it comes with a pouch here which just slides in there, goes on your jeans like that, unholster it, it's pretty useful. So yeah, overall I would rate this very highly. Definitely recommend it as a small torch. It's very bright. I'll put some video at the end just to show you the different levels on a blank surface, and yeah, essentially it is rock solid. You're not going to break this if you drop it from a decent distance, to be honest. I'll just demonstrate actually. Down here on the floor, going to drop it. This is about 2 feet up, absolutely fine. You can just tell when it hits the floor that that's not caused any damage to it. It's a completely solid device, and you can see it's very bright. Essentially that wraps it up. Under £20 on Amazon, definitely a decent torch to have if you just need a handheld torch. 3W LED, surprisingly bright. I think about 69 lumens this outputs according to Amazon, so highly recommended. Thanks for watching. Okay, so as promised, these are the tests on a blank surface. This is 100% full brightness, 25% brightness, strobe, and SOS. I believe the last two are on 100% brightness. It seems to be more comparable than the 25% brightness one. So thanks for watching again, and I hope you enjoyed the review. Hope that if you buy one of these you have as much success with it as I have. This is 25%. Sorry, my dog's getting a bit excited.